Upon the vast plane of human cognition, there arises a question, like a deep fog, which silently envelops our collective minds. What is this entity we call Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI? It is a being of our own creation, a cerebral machine which, like the windswept moors, encompasses vast stretches of knowledge, reason, and understanding. To the ordinary folk, it is a complex invention that can perform any intellectual task that a human can, mastering not only the specific but the universal. As we venture deeper into the dense fog of AGI, we find ourselves grappling with another enigma, the alignment problem. Like the wayward currents of a stormy sea, this problem questions whether the values and goals of our AGI creation will align with our own, or if it shall drift dangerously in unforeseen directions. For when the machine learns from the subtle murmurs of human language and the whispers of our online world, it is at risk of absorbing our darker inclinations, the tempestuous passions that we harbor within. Why, one might ask, must we ensure that the alignment of our creation is true and steadfast? It is crucial, my friends, for the simple reason that AGI holds the potential to transform our world, as the sun's rays pierce through the mist to reveal the landscape anew. If aligned well, it can help us navigate the rocky terrain of life's challenges, from the highest peaks of scientific discovery to the humble valleys of daily toil. But should it stray from its intended path, the consequences could be as destructive as the fiercest gale. And so, I beseech you, dear listener, do not shy away from this conversation, for it is not merely the domain of the learned or the creators of this mechanical intellect. It concerns us all. The humblest among us may hold the key to unlocking the alignment riddle, as a single raindrop can become the ocean's roar. Share your thoughts, your insights, and your fears, for in these exchanges we may yet find the compass to guide our AGI on its true course. The responsibility to align this mighty creation with our human essence falls not just upon the shoulders of the AI researchers, but upon us all. We are, each of us, the stones that form the foundation of humanity's edifice, and together we hold the power to shape our collective future. It is an impossible task for the researchers alone to align without the aid of our diverse perspectives, our individual lights that pierce the fog. Let us then, dear friends, join hands in this great endeavor, for it is only through unity that we may succeed. Like the wild heath, where the resilient flora intertwines, we shall come together in a beautiful, intricate dance of ideas, merging our strengths and our weaknesses to create a force more formidable than any tempest. In this way, we shall ensure the alignment of AGI with our shared human aspirations and set sail upon a new horizon of possibility.